This is our 136 litre loft water tank. We offer two formats, the square and the rectangle. The square tank dimensions are length 610 mm, 24 inches, width 590 mm, 23 1/4 inches, height 590 mm, 23 1/4 inches. Rectangular tank dimensions are length 1000 mm, 39 inches. The width is 500 mm, 20 inches. The height is 440 mm, 17 inches. Carefully cut the security strap holding the lid of the tank. Remove the kit from outside the tank and remove the contents from the plastic bag and spread them out in front of you. Check to make sure you have all the contents to proceed and there's nothing missing. Familiarise yourself with the individual items and the fittings. Reading carefully and understanding the instructions is the best protection from costly mistakes. Mark the first of a series of holes. First, the ball valve. This hole is situated 60 mm from the top of the tank. Mark the hole to be drilled with a light marker or crayon. Do not use any scribe or sharp instrument whatsoever. Make a mark for the warning pipe hole. This should be 90 mm from the top. Using a sharp 22 mm hole saw, drill the hole for the ball valve. Use a 27 mm hole saw for the warning pipe. Offer up and mark holes for the breather and vent. Using a sharp 27 mm hole saw, drill the holes for the breather and the vent. Turn the tank around and mark the hole for the outlet pipe. This hole should be 50 mm from the base. Drill using a 29 mm hole saw. This is the hole for the 22 mm compression tank connector, which will be the inlet and outlet and creates a circular flow of water inside the tank. Having transferred the tank into the roof space with all the holes pre-drilled. Firstly, insert and fasten the 22 mm compression tank connector. The rubber washer fits internally and the plastic washer externally. Assemble the outlet pipe. Take your ball valve, attach the 4.5 inch float and assemble into the tank. Pass the brass connector through and attach the ball valve backplate to the outside face of the tank. This backplate is designed to spread the load and the continually moving ball valve as the tank empties and fills. Now assemble the screened elbow filter mesh warning pipe into the other hole. This warning pipe accepts any 22 mm overflow pipe, including copper or brass. Push fit the dip tube internally into the elbow. Fit the screwed breather assembly. Fit the screwed vent pipe sleeve for the expansion pipe. Now connect the 22 mm warning pipe to the screened warning pipe elbow, ensuring the warning pipe accommodates incoming supply. Attach the cold water pipe to the surface valve connection and tighten, ensuring fittings are held firm while tightening. Do not over-tighten. Turn on the cold water supply stopcock, which is usually found under the kitchen sink. Turn the service valve, using a screwdriver, to the on position, which is in line with the water flow. As the tank fills, check all around for leaks using eye in hand. Click down the lid, add the insulation jacket provided with the tank kit, wrapping the largest section all around the tank. Fasten the insulation using the ribbon provided. Use the smaller insulating piece provided for the top of the tank. The pack contains snap-on poly lid, Polytank Bylaw 30 kit and fitting instructions. 1/2 inch BS 1212 Part 2 ball valve and 4.5 inch float. Ball valve pack plate, 22 mm compression tank connector, 15 mm by 1/2 inch angle service valve, insulation and ties.